What's the meaning of air-cooled? Air-cooled. 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 Air-cooled refers to a cooling system that uses air to dissipate heat from a device or machine, as opposed to liquid cooling systems which use water or other coolants. Air-cooled systems have many advantages, including lower cost, simplicity, and reliability, although they may not be as efficient as liquid cooling systems in very high performance applications. In general, air-cooled systems rely on the natural convection of air to dissipate heat, either through passive heat sinks or fans that move air over hot components.